Where did we go? When was the moment that we broke into? I think I know. In fact, I am sure I can blame it on you. I remember the first big surprise, the day you came home with your infrared eyes. I looked inside them, but all I could see were tiny reflections of me. But it's not me, it's you. What you're turning into is some kind of something that I never knew. You used to be okay, and I liked you that way. But I don't think that I like you better. No, I don't think that I like you better. Started out small, some gills and some wings and a few extra thumbs. Now you're 13 feet tall. Even when you're asleep, your machinery hums. And I'm tired of the evenings I spend making small talk with your new robot friends, and their stupid insistence on scanning my iris. They know damn well who I am. And you look like a victim of a surgical crime, a little Darth Vader, a little Optimus Prime. You used to be okay, and I liked you that way. But I don't think that I like you better. No, I don't think that I like you better. That's how it goes. Snap your mandibles once to say you understand. Now hold me close. Wait, now that's too close, you're crushing my hand. I can tell by that shrieking alarm that your weapon systems are active and armed. Do me a favor and power them down, just so we don't have a scene. And I wish it was different,